India is one of the fastest growing economy with job opportunities in various sectors. But with the economy slowing down, jobs are getting saturated. In such a situation, finding a job is not an easy task. NASSCOM McKinsey report states that only 1 out of 4 graduates are directly employable, which adds to our worries. But there are rising sectors like solar, which are getting attention due to crippling power outages and environmental issues. India ambitiously plans to invest 3.7 lakh crore to generate 20 gigawatt solar power by 2022, thereby creating 50,000 job opportunities every year for engineers from various disciplines. Now, they require technical and managerial skill sets and exposure to internal and external working of a solar industry. It's not that students don't have these skills. They have abilities, but they lack guidance. They need someone to nurture their abilities. Presenting Solar Clan. Solar Clan is an initiative of IITians, which has already trained more than 1,000 of engineers in the field of solar energy. At Solar Clan, we develop next-gen technocrats, develop skill sets as per industry requirements, understand corporate structure and management, create an ecosystem with a vantage point of direct contact with the academicians and industrialists, which gives you leading edge over other engineers by providing industry-based training, internship on industry-based live projects and visits, assistance on mini and major projects. On completion, certificate for training as well as internship will be issued jointly by SINE, IIT Bombay and NLA. Learn, brainstorm and innovate. Join Solar Clan. www.nlec.com/solarclan